want you to win until you actually win it. Too many people watching who hurt you, that ain't nobody's business. Had to change my way, stop trying to run the streets and dealing. Had to try and change my life to God so I can seek for better vision. It's hard to find people who aren't hating. Too many people just keep on dissing. Already had to set some goals, now that's precision. Don't give a fuck about what you think, now you're just bitching, right?